Today I'm going to show you my most important prep after food. So food absolutely number one, but then because we live in a modern technological society, and especially since I have an online business, electrical power is huge. And I want to show you a prep that I use all the time. And that is a small solar power backup system. I've got the panels behind. Actually, let me just show you the unit and talk about it a little bit, and then I'll get into how I actually use it. So I have Bluetti, which I really like. This is a 2,000 watt Bluetti. And the way I have it configured is those solar panels I just showed you, I don't actually have those hooked up most of the time. Most of the time I have the Bluetti, oh yeah, this is such a mess, just connected in. It can draw power from those solar powers. It can draw power from the outlet, which is where I'm getting it, and other sources. I think you could get it from other batteries. And what I have connected to it, this is my main computer. This goes to my backup hard drive. I found out the backup hard drive, when it loses power, it loses its mind, and you don't want your backup data center losing its mind. So I keep it going. And then this little guy is to the router, which connects, of course, everything. And as you can see, there's more options here. And in fact, what I'm about to do is I've got this extension cord which goes to my Starlink satellite, and I'm just about to hook up the Starlink, so the Starlink will be on backup power. I don't normally have it on, and honestly, I don't usually these power outages are only a couple of hours, so unless I absolutely need to be on, I won't put that on. And as you can see, there's lots of other options for charging things, different USB ports with different power levels. It's even got a car charger, some other, I don't even use most of these, some other possible ways to get electricity out and to be able to use it. And as you can see right now, I'm on, what is that, some 97, 96% power. So again, I have it can charge from the wall outlet, which is where I normally always have it charging. And then if the grid is getting down for like more than a day or so, then absolutely I'm going to lay these panels out on the grass, hook them up, and be able to charge it directly from the sun. But for day-to-day operation, I just let the regular grid charge it up. And I live in Puerto Rico, and at least once a month the grid goes down here. So I'm using this pretty regularly. I'm using a Bluetti. I really like it. It's 2,000 watts, and as I said, this is just a standard piece of equipment I use all the time. Ruth, who also works with the Grow Network, you probably know she writes a lot of the newsletters. Hi, Ruth. She has a Jackery about the same size, and she loves it. And most recently, she needed it because she lives in Galveston, and they just had Hurricane Beryl come through there, and 2 weeks the power's been out. I think she's been out for 3 weeks. I think she's just going to start going back now. The whole place is flooded. Hey guys, the infrastructure is ailing, and we're in a time of chaos and war, and you need backup power. I can't tell you how much I use this thing. I love it. It's absolutely portable. It's ultra backup, fantastic piece of equipment. I've been using this Bluetti now for a year and a half, 2 years regularly. As I said, Ruth has her Jackery and she loves it. We're going to hook up with both of these companies and see if we can get you some kind of discount for being a Grow Network member. But this is one piece of equipment I really recommend you get, and simple and easy to use. Okay, this is Marjorie Wildcraft, and remember, your first prep, you absolutely need to have food. Okay, talk to you later.